Assalamualaikum everybody. Today we are gonna unbox this mini fan. It's not a toy. Yeah, it's a real fan. Yeah. Because if it's a toy fan, it won't work.
It won't work easily.
Let's go unbox.
Ow!
It doesn't have a tape, so
No tape.
we buy it at Idol Mart. Okay, we got the fan here, the main fan.
Ow!
Then we've got the holder. And then there's a USB plug. This can have a battery or a USB plug. And here it is. You can put something like a phone or something here. It's cool. I can put something like a book or a phone. Okay, let's test it out, guys. This feels good. Whoa, there's light. There's light at the bottom of the fan. So that just stand out. Here's fan. It's air for you guys.
And this one's about better one.
More. Okay. We can put it inside. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. If you want to watch more new videos, all you have to do is subscribe and like to our channel so we can make more content. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.